Hello, Parnassians. It's me, Magister Beck, and Magister Cole, Mr. Mangold, and myself are doing the second video for badminton. The first video for badminton was just trying to hit the sock ball or birdie, keep it in the air, see how many times you can volley it. This time, I want to try to introduce the proper way to serve. If you're a hybrid scholar, this is what we did last week for in-person Phi Ed, but for the video's sake, we are going to introduce how to do a proper serve. Now, when you serve, you have to serve underhand, and you want to hit the birdie or shuttlecock below your waist. Because if I hit it here, where do you think the birdie's going to go? It's going to go straight up or go over my head. So that's why you have to hit it underneath your waist, so it has a nice arc and goes over the net diagonally, because that's where how you have to serve when you're serving. You have to serve it to the diagonally over the net. So, like I said, you put the birdie right at the end of the racket below your waist, and you can get ready, and you just let go of the birdie or sock at the last second, because some of the scholars in person for hybrid are kind of throwing it up and trying to hit it. It's going to be a lot more of a challenge to try to hit that target when you're doing it that way. So you just kind of hold it at the end of your racket, and at the last second, you give it a little hit. You let go of it and give it a little hit, and it should have a nice arc to go over the net. Now, when you're at home, if you have a racket like me that you made out of stick and paper plates, or if you have a tennis racket or whatever, and if you have a ball, birdie, or a little softball, that's fine. But you can practice this, like if you don't have a family member or a sibling to hit it back and forth with you, or go catch the ball for you and throw it back, you can just do it against the wall and just practice hitting it against the wall, and then just grab your softball and do it again. And then you can progress too. Like during a game, you're not just going to hit it underhand. It might be a high birdie where you have to hit it overhand. You might be running to hit it like a backhand or a forehand hit. So you can practice that against the wall. Practice hitting it for a forehand or a backhand, or even a high one going up and then slapping it against the wall. But primarily for this video's sake, I want you guys all to practice on how the proper way to do a serve. Like I said, you hold the shuttlecock, birdie, or ball or softball at the end of the racket, below your waist, and at the last second you let go of it, and you hit it right over the net. So that's it for this badminton video, the second video for badminton. I hope you guys enjoy it and get some practice in when you guys are doing PE at home. And I will see you guys on the next video, or you guys should be emailing Mr. Cole or Magister Cole and myself, and we should be seeing or listening to you guys through there. So I hope you have a great rest of your day, and I will see you at school or through email.